Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be sharing with you a Dollar Tree haul. And basically for this Dollar Tree, I'm just going to show you some of the essential products that I typically purchase on a regular basis at Dollar Tree. And then kind of just go through those things. And then when I was there, I did find a couple of things. Now, just as a caveat to all of this, I do want to let you know I am definitely staying home, doing the self-quarantine kind of thing. I am basically going out maybe twice a month. Literally, that's like, and maybe that's not even really what I'm doing, because I work from home full time. My son works from home full time, so we don't go out. We literally stay in all the time. And I treated myself after about a month of not going anywhere. I was actually about 18 days straight. I hadn't gone anywhere. I did end up going to the Dollar Tree because I was running out of a few things that are essential for me and my household. So let's go ahead and go through them and show you what I got. So I needed a couple of storage bags and tinfoil. So I typically buy this at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's the best bang for your buck kind of thing, but I don't use a lot of these on a consistent basis, so having these smaller quantities work well for me. So this one was a bonus pack. It had 16 versus 12. So they're all bonus packs. So this one is 7 extra bags. And then the freezer pack one was not 9 versus 7. So I bought some of that, and then I was running out of aluminum foil, so I picked up some of that as well. The other essentials that I typically pick up at the Dollar Tree are cleaning things. So I love these Brillo Basic little scrubbers. A box like this typically lasts me about a month and a half. And I just use them to clean my pots and pans and things like that. And I really do love them. I think they work great. And then I typically get the Brillo Basic reusable linen cleaning cloths. Typically pick up a pack of those every couple of weeks. And I also pick up the Cascade Premium. There's only 4 in here, but I did compare this to the bigger bag at the Walmart. And so these are $0.25 a piece basically. And at the Walmart, at least when I went, the Cascade Premium was like 33 cents a pack, or a tablet. So, and I just like having 4 on hand at a time. I mean, typically it lasts me about 2 weeks, because that's how we don't really run the dishes that often before. Now we're running them a lot more often because we're home all the time. So, thankfully I had stocked up on a couple right before all this happened. I had bought a couple, so I still have a couple in my underneath my sink. So I just picked up 1 this time. I needed a new scrub brush because, again, we're doing a lot of cooking, which means a lot of dishes are getting cleaned. So I love this scrub brush. I think it works really well. So yeah. And then some Dawn Premium. I like this brand, and I feel like this works really well. And then I love these eraser sponges, the Quick Erase sponges. Specifically, I love them for my bathtub. I feel like it really works really well on my bathtub surfaces. So I picked up a pack of those. Other essentials I like to have on hand are just plastic forks. I do like the super heavy duty ones, so I typically pick up a pack of these every couple of weeks. Sometimes they're hard to find, so I generally look for them, and if I see them, I go ahead and pick it up unless I just picked up a pack. I love these plates, the Ultra paper plates. There's 10 counts in here, and they are microwave safe. It says it right there in the back. And they're pretty good quality, not so thin like the decorative plates are. The decorative ones are pretty thin, but these are a little bit better quality. And I like the lip on them so that when I have something like vegetables or something in here, like corn or something, it'll keep it all contained. And then I went ahead and picked up the pack of the napkins. I don't typically get the napkins there, but since I'm kind of running out of rolled napkins, I decided to go ahead and pick up a pack. They were doing, you could take 4 different paper products. That's kind of what their limit was, and I did purchase 2 of these, and then I had 1 of these. So, and then I also purchased a few things in their cosmetic area. I bought a thing of this Pond's cleansing solution a couple weeks ago, and I really do like it. So I decided, I'm not even done with the one that I have, but the last time I was in there, what was that, like 3-4 weeks ago? I picked up one of these, and I really do like it. And a little tiny bit goes a long way. And then I went ahead and got this quick rapid dry top coat. I have the stickers on right now that I bought a while ago, and I found these ones at this latest time, and I thought they were really cute. I don't typically use the ones that are French, so I went ahead and bought 4 packs, because I do feel like I do need to have kind of a variety, and 2 packs generally get me a full set of 5, you know, a full 10. So I decided to buy 2 of them so I could have 2 sets. And then I bought some of the Kiss quick setting nail glue, and I decided to buy this, and then I also bought the Sassy and Chic one just to kind of compare the two. This one I like because it's got the precision tip on it, and I do plan on adding, I want to try to fix my nails a little bit. They're looking a little bad. Obviously, with everything going on, I haven't been to the nail salon in forever. And then about 2 months ago, I bought one of these for my face, my moisturizer, because it comes in a tube and it was kind of getting hard to get out. And I really did like how it worked, but this little thing popped off of the silver part. So I think what I'm going to do before I start using it, I'm going to take this off and stick a thing of glue down inside there. So I think what happened was the lotion just got inside in between the silver and the little spongy thing, and it kind of just popped it out. So I'm not able to get it back in because it just keeps popping right back out. So I decided to buy another one, and I liked that they had gray. Things. I bought a couple more of these. I bought a couple more of these little storage case things. I use these for my laces. My little small tiny laces. I've been buying quite a bit of laces at through Etsy shops, so I thought I needed a couple more of these. Plus I'm going to use one for a Happy Mail that I'm going to be sending out. So there's those, and then I also purchased one of these also for a Happy Mail that I'm going to plan on sending out. Okay, and then I also, when I was there, I did find some cute stuff for kind of like Mother's Day stuff, and I picked up a couple of things. So first I found this really cute blush ribbon, curly ribbon. I don't typically pick this stuff up, but for some reason this color just was really speaking to me, the color combination. And then I found this bag as well, and I was thinking that it looked really cute together. So in the light now, I don't know if it really works, but I have other bags, but I really like this. It's got some gold foil and really pretty flowers on it. And I think the side panel has the flowers on it too. So I thought that was really cute. So I bought that. And then I found a couple of these cute little pom-pom. Look how cute these are. I love these. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of the green and a couple of the red for Christmas. So I'll put these with my Christmas decorations. And then I picked up the blue and the hot pink and the silver. And then they have these really cute little trinket trays, and I'm going to replace the one that's in my bathroom that has nothing on it with this one, because I do have a succulent themed bathroom. And I just think this one was just cute, so I just bought this one just to have on my desk. And then I purchased I found a couple of cute little word search books and Sudoku. I just think these covers are so pretty. And I'm a puzzle girl. I love puzzles. So I love games and puzzles. So I thought this would be fun. I love that it's got colored, like a color thing to it. I think I'm actually going to probably throw one of these into my mom's Mother's Day present. And then I've got Sudoku, which I really love doing Sudokus. And this pretty one, again, kind of a word search with the coloring book pages in it. I think that's really cute. So I love the size of these too. They're really a nice little handheld size. There we go. And then I did pick up 3 of the Mother's Day cards. Wasn't sure which one I wanted to give my mom for Mother's Day, so I went ahead and just bought both of them. I love this one. I love the turquoisey outline glitter. And then I got my Sissy one too. I'm so excited that they had one for sisters. So I'm going to send that to my sister. And then I found these really cute little post-it things. And I actually have a thought I think I'm going to try to make a junk journal out of the cover of this. I just think that would look really cute. And then it closes. So like take all of the things out and use it for a junk journal. So I think I'm going to try to get that done. Let's see if that happens. And then this one I liked a lot too. So I'm not real too excited about the inside or the outside, but I figured I could potentially just cover it with paper. But I do love the sticky notes that came with it. So that's why I bought 2 of them, because I loved the sticky notes. I figured I could change up the top. It does have a Velcro piece. Obviously it's not Velcroed right now because it's in this plastic container. But okay, and then just the last couple things. I can't go to the Dollar Tree without buying at least 1 sticker. So they had these peel and stick little removable wall tiles. And I mean, I'm not going to use it for that, but I thought this would look really cool in like a boho type journal. And I do have some things that I've been saving for a boho type journal. So I thought that these would look really cool in there. So I went ahead and bought those 2. And then just the last thing I purchased were a couple of different leaf type things. I think these look so great. They're little ferns. I don't specifically understand this piece right here. Like that doesn't really work for me. I don't really understand why they added that. But I really like the way that these look. I feel like they look really high quality. I'm definitely going to take that little plastic piece thing off. Like, I'll just do it now, actually. Here, there's another one. Yeah, like the end, I just don't understand that. I mean, I guess they're trying to make it like it's growing still, but it doesn't look right. It just doesn't look right. So I went ahead and bought 3 of those, and I have a high kind of like bookshelf that I kind of want to put these on. So just to add some greenery to the top. And then they had a spider plant as well. And I really love how these look with the different little florals, and yeah, I just think these look so really good. I mean, okay, I actually forgot a couple things. So I found this photo mat. It turns a 11 by 14 into an 8 by 10, and it's double-sided, so you could use the black side or the white side. And so then I just bought an 11 by 14 frame, and I have a thought for this. So I wish I had found 2 of these. I didn't. So I don't know. We'll see if what I'm thinking in my head actually works. So that is that. And then I also got a couple of candles. So I found this one. It's a sweet cherry. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so good. And I love the little mason jar that it comes in. Look how cute that is. Like, the mason jar itself is worth $1, as far as I'm concerned. But oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, and I had to keep these in the bag because the smell was driving me crazy. Like I couldn't, I had it sitting on my kitchen table and I'm like, oh, it's not a good smell. But so I'm glad I got them though, because my son likes to make candles with candle wax. So I really bought it for this little glass candle thing. These things at, this one has a chip on it. These things at like Michael's, at least $4 for the small one like this. So, and then it comes with this like sand that's scented, and I can barely stand the smell. I'm really sensitive to smells. This one is lavender, magnolia, magnolia. Why can't I say that word? And then Asian lily. So these are kind of the 4 different ones, and I did find all of them. So basically you're supposed to fill the jar with these little granules and then burn it like a candle. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna throw that part away. The only one that I actually kind of sort of like is the apple cinnamon. But even that, it just smells too soapy for me. So this one is apple cinnamon and then apricot. They all have the magnolia in it. So I'm just going to take out the little glass jars so that my son can fill them with candle wax. All right, so yeah, that's everything that I got at the Dollar Tree. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.